I just had to let you. My boo! I hate you.
Hi.
Dennis actually was the one that got this year's giveaway. Applause for Dennisita in
What were
the
you
comments.
doing? Why couldn't you go with me?
I was busy working. Welcome to our annual stationery haul and giveaway. Oh my gosh, this is the 8th year that we are doing this. I wasn't gonna do this video, but after a few requests on Instagram, I was like, what the heck? I love stationery. I love giving you guys stuff, and it's like the funnest thing. This year, I actually had Dennis go and get the supplies, so he got some of the most innovative, cutest, and honestly the coolest school supplies for this school year. Here's the thing, if you're not going back to school, ain't no shame in the game. You can still get some of this stuff, because I know for me, I haven't been in school in, I don't want to age myself, but it's been a bit. I still love stationery and I still love journals, and there's a little bit of something here for everyone. If you're a teacher, if you're a student, if you're a grandma, you can have this too. First of all, comment below if you're already in school. I really don't know what's going on. As per usual, we don't have one, not two, not three, but four winners that could be winning all of these incredible things. So stick to the very end to see exactly how to win it. And for now, I'm going to show you everything that we got. So this year we have the artist, the innovator, the productivity gal, and the journaler. Comment below which of these resonates with you most, which you want to win. This is so cool. He got you guys a wireless speaker. I mean, come on. While you're journaling, you want to be meditating with some nice lo-fi music, some nice salsa, whatever you're in the mood for. I thought this was a great little gift, and it's hands-free, so you get to place it somewhere and journal away. Oh, this is so cool. He got you guys the Sarasa color. So this is really nice. These are like milky gel pens, perfect for darker paper, and it just makes everything just like stand out that much more. They're so beautiful to write with, and they're so silky. You're gonna love these. Of course, I wanted to give you some of the nails that I created with Impress Press on. These are no longer on this site. Thank you guys so much for all of the love. It was so amazing, honestly, seeing you all wear the nails that I created, and like, I can't even explain it. Like, my heart still kind of flutters and melts a little bit, but I wanted to give you a little piece of this. Actually, every single giveaway today will have one of these. You'll be getting kawaii smiles. I'm actually wearing pastel feelings right here. Of course, it's not a journaler's kit without some really nice fine tip pens for like calligraphy or really beautiful writing. These are the fine liners by Prism colors. Really amazing. Okay, Dennis. All right. He gave you a little bit of everything. And we also have some really beautiful smooth writing ink for all your other notes. You can never have enough pens. That's my life motto right there. Like, if I die, put that on my grave. I've actually never tried these. They say that they are really dark and crisp lines. They look really beautiful too. So here you go. Some scissors for our little scrapbook journaling essentials. Of course, a moleskin notebook. I mean, these are some of my favorite. They're beautiful. This is the dotted one, and it's a little bit of the flexy one, so it's nice and comfortable to take with you. He got you guys some pencils. Okay, these are honestly not my fave, but some people like mechanical pencils and such. I write more with pen, but you know, these are good to take. Oh, snap. We got a little bullet journal notebook. Very, very cute. This is 240 pages, so you're gonna get a lot of fun out of this one. Nice and neat, and you can add some fun stickers here if you want to spice it up. Of course, we need ourselves a little planner. This is beautiful. I honestly really love this size. It's perfect for just like taking along or even keeping on your desk. These are really, really cool. These have the little clear view, so you can actually see where you're highlighting. What a cool function. Love it. You will also be getting 2 little washi tapes because hello, journaling. Ooh, I love these. These are the Tri Plus fine liners. These are 0.3, so it's gonna really get in there. Anything that you want to write with details or any kind of fun little doodles, these are gonna be really beautiful, and there's so many colors. Oh, and I love that. You can actually like stand it up. That's pretty neat. You'll also be getting a little craft bond thing, stick, some Sharpie pens, and some Uni Ball pens. And what did he do? He got a 0.7. That's the jam. Okay, that's how you write really sweet and beautiful. So that's the journaler. I can't pronounce it. Comment below if you'd like to win that one. Oh, snap. Okay. I'm seeing some really cool stuff here. I mean, come on. We got yourself a little Nest Google Home thingamajiggery. This is incredible. So since you're the productivity gal, you're gonna want to tell Google to help you out planning your week, inputting little stuff, playing some music. You deserve it. Here you go. You're gonna also be winning a laser presentation remote because you are on it with your stuff. I'm curious if anybody would actually utilize this in class. It's really neat. Honestly, I use this for rock climbing, like for him to tell me, oh, touch that rock or try that one whenever like we're training. So this is really cool. You'll also be getting some blue light screen protecting glasses. Wow, look at that. He thought of everything. He knows you're gonna be on the computer typing away, doing all this stuff, so you'll also be getting that. I like this. A beautiful 5-star notebook. This is college rule. Oh, this isn't college rule. Okay, well, we got the wide rule. That's all right too. I like college. I prefer college. Comment below college or wide rule. I feel like I write too big for wide, so that's why. The Natalie's Outlet Pastel Feelings. These are so beautiful. It's actually what I'm wearing right now on my nails, so you're gonna be enjoying some of these. You don't have to worry about getting your nails done because you're productive, but I don't don't want you like, literally this is one and done. It's on, it's done. This I thought was really, really cool. I actually saw Amanda Rachel release something very similar to this. You pretty much put all like your pens in here, and then it's a stand-up case. So like you get to go down like that. These are also for you, some Uni Ball Gel Pens. So let's pretend the pens are in here, right? And then all you do is you go like this, and they all stay like standing up. You'll also be getting a little legal pad. Honestly, these are so underrated. I love having this at my desk. I have like 3, which is a lot of legal pads. I prefer the smaller type, but I think this is still really helpful to keep you on track. You got your appointments, your to-dos. Productivity queen, what are you without some beautiful midliners? These are gorgeous. They look beautiful in your planner, which speaking of planner, you will also be getting, oh my God, I love this. Good choice, Dennis. This is beautiful, okay? I love the color. Wait, I love this. I'm telling you, I'm literally here surprised with you guys. Honestly, these planners by Day Designer are some of my favorites. I just think they're gorgeous. Very well done. And I really appreciate like the today schedule, the to-dos, and how much room there is for writing. If you were to look at my calendars, oh my God, you'd be like shocked. Oh, these are amazing. Okay, your little rule journals. These are tiny, they're cute. You get to like decide what you want. Like one could be for feelings, one could be for anger, one could be for your Bible study. Why not? These are really pretty. They have like little specs on them. 0.7, of course, my favorite, very beautiful and smooth to write with. Honestly, these are some of the best. I really enjoy them. This is pretty nifty. I still really love this. You know, sometimes you don't want to take all your colors, so bam, you get 4 in 1 for like those primary colors with your notes. This is perfect. Dennis and I always have a debate about this. These are just the best mechanical pencils. There's nothing smoother. The lead is perfection. I don't love to write in pencil, but I'll write in these. They're gorgeous and they erase so beautiful. So, oh my God, these actually have jumbo erasers. That's what's up. I love that. Of course, you need your little Post-its. Super beautiful. I love the minis and I love these for like bigger tasks, of course. He wanted you to also have these just in case you want to give them away to the person that never brings their supplies. Some glue, more Sharpies, and some really cute washi tape. So that was the productivity gal. Comment below if you'd like to win this one. Oh my God. Oh my God. You got a label and organizer. This is so cool for your home and office. Honestly, at first I was like, man, do you really have to like label everything? Like that's a little bit too much. But after I watched the home edit and after I did that for my own house, my makeup, literally over there, my markers and essentials and all of the office stuff, I have labels everywhere and it helps so much with organization. I even have some in my closet. You can check it out on this closet organization video. It helps so much. We got the Sharpie Clearview, a very big array. Always know what you're highlighting. Absolutely beautiful. You'll be getting a 5-star notebook. Honestly, these are some of my favorite. Oh, but why the wide it is. Sorry. It's okay. They're still beautiful. Erasable markers. You know how much I'm obsessed with these. These are still some of my favorites. I love the Pilot ones. They're the best. Papermate. Oh my God. Flare felt tip stylus. Oh, metallic colors. These are gorgeous. Look at all the beautiful colors. And apparently it won't bleed through paper. These are really cool. These are more like minimalist color liners. Really beautiful. I see some Japanese in the background, so these have got to be like top notch. Very cool. Ever fine. I think you're gonna love these. You'll be getting some Sharpies. You'll also be getting some Uni Ball Gels. I've never tried this. I don't know what accent that is. Some Natalie's Outlet Kawaii Smiles. Very cute. Honestly, perfect. A beautiful short tip for like the everyday girl. Very, very beautiful. Another stick. Clearly, he thinks you're doing lots of crafts. That's cute. I like it. Little composition notebooks. I like these. These are so cute. You get 2. You can get one for you and one for your little bestie. Again, some of my favorites. Love these highlighters. It's just beautiful. When you highlight in pastel, nothing like really like is too overpowering. That's why I really love these. These are some of my favorite. You are getting the Endless Reusable Smart Notebook. This is the Rocket Book, which pretty much you write with this and then with water, it just erases. It's amazing. I've tested this out in various videos and it's really, really cool. Specifically for math or if you're like learning languages or if literally you just want to doodle. I think it's really cool. So that is the Innovator. Comment below if you'd like to win that. So many cool stuff. Okay, we have the G502 Hero Gaming Mouse. This is really cool. This is by Logitech. Honestly, with artistry, a lot of people do graphic design or a lot of online art now. So this actually has a feature where it has like 5 different buttons that you can easily customize. So you can do like your crop or your Photoshop or like this and that. So I think it's really innovative. Or if you're just a gamer, hey. Of course, we have a little sketch paper notebook. Very beautiful, lots to write in and honestly a great size. I love it. You can't get the mouse and not get the mouse pad. This is a beautiful beautiful mouse pad that you get to customize yourself. Look how pretty. It works with all mouses. Honestly, I kind of want to just open this, color it, and then send it to you. It adds a little bit of style to your desk, okay? Oh my God, these are the Calligraphy dual pens. So amazing. I'm sorry that I'm opening this, but I just, look at this. Oh my God, look at that. Gorgeous tip, amazing for calligraphy. And then you get another one right here. That is fabulous, fantastic. I love it. Midliners, these are awesome. They're simple, you can organize, you can create so much with it. And these are a little bit more of the loud, bold colors. And something that I didn't know for a while is these are double-ended. Does anybody not know that either? They're really amazing. Sorry. I guess Dennis really likes these. So you'll of course also be getting my beautiful pastel feelings. We could be twinning. You can share it with me on social media. I just love this little message here. A glue stick. Another one of those. Calendar at a glance. I'm a little more hesitant with these. I mean, these are like pocket ones. They're a little too small in my opinion. Comment below if you actually utilize these, but you'll be getting one of these. The full pack of Sharpie fine permanent markers, 21. Okay, quick drying, fade, amazing, water resistant ink. Some more gel pens. Beautiful, amazing, smooth, no smears, no smudges, no globs. Thank you. I don't like the globs. Oh my God, I like this. This is made out of all green material. I just feel like you can really go off on this. Just color it in, spice her up. Oh my God, wait, this is college rule? Is this college rule? College rule looks a little big. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Oh, these are beautiful Prism color fine liner markers. Honestly, incredible. They're very lightweight. They're permanent. They're water resistant. You get a big array of colors. Be careful with this. This is an X-Acto knife. I did graphic design school for like one semester. I didn't really love it very much. You can really hurt yourself. Twistable color pencils. Why was this not a thing when I was a little girl? Get creative. What is this? China marker. Ideal for marketing on glass, plastic, film, paper, metal, rubber, or any smooth surface. Easy peel off wrapper. Needs no sharpening. Oh, okay. These are like those really creative. Yeah, I still don't know what this is. You also get a nice little light notebook for sketching. Honestly, I feel like best of both worlds. Bigger, the small one. Dual brush pens. Oh, these are beautiful. So great. These have two tips. So they have a brush tip and they also have a bullet tip. Really beautiful for calligraphy and comes in beautiful colors. I love it. And some Sharpies for those nice little details. Giveaway rules. I, of course, would love to give this to one of my subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, go down below, hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell. To enter, all you have to do is click the very first link at the top of the description. The giveaway will be announced here on this date. So stay tuned. There has been so many times where somebody wins and I contact them and I only this time around, I'm gonna give you 48 hours, only 48 hours to reply back to me because honestly, it can get so much when I'm trying to ship this stuff out. So please make sure that you're attentive. September 2nd, add it to your calendar. You might win. You have no idea how many people win and they don't claim it. And then like literally a few months later, they're like, oh my God, I won. How do I get my prize? And I'm like, I already gave it to somebody else. I cannot do that. So mark your calendar, September 2nd, okay? As always, this is international. This is open to everyone, okay? Because Natalie's Outlet is not just here. It is everywhere. We are global. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so very much for all the love, all the support, all of the sweetness throughout the years. We just hit 8 years on YouTube, which is so crazy. Like, it's insane. I've had the best time ever. I love what I do. It's stressful sometimes, but at the end of the day, I wouldn't have it any other way. And I honestly feel like this was like the job for me. It was meant to be. And I love you guys very much. I'm sending you lots of love and kissy attack. If you want to stay connected with me on any of my socials, I am right over here. I'm thinking about maybe doing like a little special. Either the special is the fact that I just hit 8 years on YouTube and kind of like going through, you know, my 8 years, reminiscing, watching some good old videos, maybe looking at some hater comments, who knows, you know, something exciting and fun. Or I'm thinking about literally just doing a little updated Q&A in bed, eating desserts with you. Which one would you want to see? Comment below. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, by the way, I just opened up a new Instagram and TikTok. This is Offline Humans. Offline Humans is a place where we all meet and we love journaling. We're really introspective. There's a lot of self-journaling prompts. There's a lot of fun. It's a community full of people that just want to disconnect to reconnect. So if you're interested in that, you can check out Offline Humans and follow us on there. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna be annoying. Why did he give you guys these? I don't know, but oh well. Maybe they're not as bad as I thought. There's nothing more satisfying to me than stationery. Honestly, I could waste all my money on it.